Discover the 4 most effective antioxidants that aid in detoxifying and rapidly repairing your kidneys. Your kidneys could be facing damage daily, and you may be completely unaware of it. Ironically, some of the foods you believe to be healthy might be complicating their situation even further. Discover the remarkable antioxidants that can enhance your kidneys' ability to eliminate toxins more efficiently than you might think. Your kidneys tirelessly filter your blood, eliminate waste, and maintain your body's equilibrium around the clock. However, stress, poor nutrition, environmental pollutants, and dehydration can hinder their performance. When toxins accumulate, nothing seems quite right, experiencing low energy, swelling, brain fog, and sleep issues. In this video, I'm revealing the top 4 powerful antioxidants that effectively eliminate toxins and promote rapid kidney repair. Before we dive in, I'm curious to know where you're tuning in from and what time it is on your end right now. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below. Every little moment from your day holds immense value here. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on the next gentle tip crafted just for you. Many individuals tend to overlook them or utilize them incorrectly. L-Carnitine takes the top spot. L-Carnitine is an often overlooked antioxidant that significantly contributes to kidney health. Despite its crucial role within the body, L-Carnitine is naturally produced by your kidneys and liver, and you can also find it in foods such as meat and fish. As kidney function begins to wane, the body's capacity to produce sufficient L-Carnitine diminishes as well. This poses a challenge, as L-Carnitine plays a crucial role in enabling cells to generate energy and eliminate harmful waste. One of its primary functions is to shuttle fatty acids into the mitochondria, the tiny energy powerhouses located within each cell. When this process operates effectively, fats are transformed into energy through burning. When L-carnitine levels drop, fats start to accumulate within cells, resulting in toxin buildup, inflammation, and oxidative stress that gradually harms kidney tissue. L-carnitine not only fuels energy production, but also serves as a potent antioxidant. This powerful solution neutralizes harmful free radicals, minimizes lipid damage, and bolsters the body's natural antioxidant defenses, particularly glutathione. Glutathione plays a vital role in detoxification and safeguarding the kidneys, with elevated levels enhancing their ability to protect against everyday harm. Studies indicate that individuals with chronic kidney disease frequently experience diminished L-carnitine production, and those undergoing dialysis may further deplete their levels as a result of the treatment. The loss may result in fatigue, weakness, and a sluggish detox process, indicating that both the kidneys and cells are experiencing stress. L-carnitine plays a vital role in kidney repair by enhancing mitochondrial function, reducing oxidative stress, and assisting in the removal of excess fatty acids and organic acids that could burden the kidneys. As oxidative damage diminishes, kidney cells shift from a state of constant survival to one where they can initiate their own repair processes. Research indicates that adding L-carnitine can boost antioxidant enzyme activity and reduce indicators of cellular damage, particularly among dialysis patients. For optimal outcomes, L-carnitine is typically consumed orally alongside meals and shows enhanced effectiveness when paired with other antioxidants such as vitamin C or vitamin E. In addition to maintaining proper hydration, L-carnitine effectively eliminates toxins, rejuvenates cellular energy, and safeguards kidney cells from additional harm, positioning it as a top contender among antioxidants for kidney support and recovery. Next up, coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10, commonly known as CoQ10, is a remarkable antioxidant that significantly contributes to kidney health, despite its reputation primarily stemming from its association with energy supplements. CoQ10 is produced naturally within the human body and is present in nearly every cell, with a particularly high concentration in the mitochondria. Mitochondria serve as the powerhouse of cells, while CoQ10 plays a crucial role in facilitating electron transfer, enabling the cell to generate energy efficiently. Small amounts of CoQ10 can be found in various foods, particularly in animal organs such as liver, fatty fish, soybeans, and olive oil. However, the daily intake from these sources tends to be quite minimal. CoQ10 plays a crucial role in safeguarding kidney cell membranes from damage. Mitochondria generate free radicals as a byproduct of standard energy production. Free radicals have the potential to target fats and proteins within the cell membrane, resulting in inflammation and enduring harm. CoQ10 resides within the membrane, serving as a protective barrier. It intercepts these free radicals before they have a chance to harm surrounding cells. Kidney cells play a crucial role, enduring relentless stress as they tirelessly filter blood and eliminate toxins every moment of the day. CoQ10 collaborates effectively with various antioxidants. For instance, it aids in the regeneration of vitamin E once vitamin E has neutralized a free radical. In the absence of CoQ10, the protective power of vitamin E diminishes at a much quicker rate. CoQ10 plays a vital role in safeguarding the genetic material within the mitochondria, particularly the delicate mitochondrial DNA, which is highly susceptible to oxidative damage. When mitochondrial DNA sustains damage, cells experience a decline in energy, accelerate the aging process, and face challenges in self-repair. CoQ10 safeguards this DNA, ensuring kidney cells remain vibrant and operational for an extended period. One of the standout advantages of CoQ10 is its ability to safeguard against unnecessary cell death. In kidney disease, oxidative stress can cause cells to prematurely shut down and die. CoQ10 plays a crucial role in stabilizing the mitochondrial membrane, effectively blocking signals that trigger cellular self-destruction. This results in a reduced loss of kidney cells over time, which is essential for mitigating kidney damage and fostering repair. Research indicates that individuals with chronic kidney disease frequently exhibit diminished levels of CoQ10, and this decline appears to correlate with a deterioration in kidney function. In individuals undergoing hemodialysis, diminished CoQ10 levels have been linked to heightened visceral fat accumulation around the heart, leading to the production of inflammatory chemicals. This inflammation heightens oxidative stress and may deplete additional CoQ10 as the body works to protect itself. As a result, researchers have explored CoQ10 supplementation as a potential method to alleviate oxidative stress while promoting the health of both the kidneys and the heart. What is the proper way to utilize CoQ10? CoQ10 is typically consumed as an oral supplement, ideally alongside meals that include fat, as its fat-soluble nature enhances absorption. Staying consistent is more important than taking large amounts. Although not every study presents striking outcomes, CoQ10 is generally regarded as safe for the majority and may contribute to enhancing mitochondrial function and maintaining antioxidant balance in the long run. For optimal results, it's most effective when paired with other antioxidants like vitamin E, vitamin C, and essential nutrients that promote mitochondrial health. Maintaining proper hydration and a balanced diet enhances the effectiveness of CoQ10 by minimizing the overall toxin burden on the kidneys. CoQ10 plays a crucial role in detoxifying the body by enhancing energy production, minimizing oxidative stress, and safeguarding kidney cells from mitochondrial damage. It functions not as a rapid detox, but as a long-lasting shield that enhances kidney cell performance and promotes more effective self-repair. CoQ10 rightfully secures its position as the second most potent antioxidant on this list, particularly for those worried about kidney stress, low energy, and the risk of long-term cellular damage. Before we dive deeper, if this video is enhancing your understanding of your kidneys, take a moment to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on future content. Also, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or issues you're currently facing. I'm interested to know, where are you tuning in from and what's your age? Third on the list is alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid, commonly known as ALA, stands out as one of the most distinctive antioxidants on this list due to its multifaceted approach to health benefits. ALA exists naturally within the body and is essential for the process by which mitochondria convert sugar into energy. It is primarily sourced from food, particularly organ meats such as liver, kidney, and heart, with smaller contributions from fruits and vegetables. While the body is capable of producing small quantities of ALA, Factors such as stress, aging, diabetes, and kidney issues can significantly elevate the need for it. A key factor that makes ALA indispensable for kidney health is its remarkable antioxidant strength. ALA not only neutralizes harmful free radicals directly, but it also offers even more benefits beyond that. This product effectively binds excess metals such as iron and copper, both of which are recognized for elevating oxidative stress in kidney tissue. The accumulation of these metals can accelerate kidney damage. By minimizing their activity, ALA effectively reduces toxin-related stress within the kidneys. One of the remarkable advantages is that ALA aids in the recycling of other antioxidants. Once antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, glutathione, and CoQ10 fulfill their role, they lose their potency. ALA revitalizes them, ensuring they stay productive. ALA stands out as a key component in the body's comprehensive antioxidant system, particularly in organs that confront toxins daily, such as the kidneys. ALA is also effective in soothing inflammation. It achieves this by reducing signals in the body that encourage chronic inflammation while activating protective genes that enhance cellular defense. This is significant as persistent inflammation is closely associated with lasting kidney damage. Reducing inflammation gives kidney cells a greater opportunity to thrive and heal effectively. ALA plays a crucial role in influencing blood sugar levels and fat metabolism. Elevated blood sugar levels and inadequate fat management pose significant risks for kidney health, particularly among individuals with diabetes. ALA enhances the body's ability to utilize glucose and fats, effectively reducing metabolic stress on the kidneys. In studies involving animals with diabetic kidney disease, ALA demonstrated the ability to slow kidney damage, reduce scarring, and improve kidney filtration, restore antioxidant levels, and safeguard mitochondrial function. These effects strongly indicate enhanced long-term protection for the kidneys. ALA is also beneficial for maintaining healthy blood vessels. Optimal blood circulation is essential for the kidneys as they process significant amounts of blood daily. ALA safeguards blood vessels against calcification and shields the smooth muscle cells and vessel walls from harm. This enhances the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to kidney tissue, promoting repair and restoring normal function. What is the best way to utilize ALA? ALA is typically consumed as an oral supplement, commonly once a day. For optimal absorption, it's best taken on an empty stomach. However, many choose to take it with food to prevent any potential stomach discomfort. When it comes to ALA, patience is essential. Instant results shouldn't be your expectation. The power lies in its consistent use, bolstering the body's antioxidant network as time goes on. ALA achieves optimal results when paired with other antioxidants. Combining it with CoQ10, vitamins C and E, along with adequate hydration, builds a more robust shield against oxidative stress. These compounds work in harmony to eliminate toxins, safeguard mitochondria, diminish inflammation, and enhance kidney cell repair, proving to be more effective than relying on a single antioxidant. Alpha-lipoic acid plays a vital role in supporting kidney health by reducing oxidative stress, soothing inflammation, enhancing energy production, and bolstering the body's natural detoxification processes. While it might not offer immediate results, ALA is a key player in a strategic antioxidant blend, effectively safeguarding the kidneys and gradually mitigating damage over time. Fourth on the list is selenium. The last antioxidant to highlight is selenium. Despite being a trace mineral, its influence on kidney health is far more significant than many people understand. Selenium is an essential nutrient that your body cannot produce independently, making it crucial to obtain it through your diet. You'll discover it in a variety of sources, including meat, seafood, grains, and fish like tuna and mackerel, as well as in vegetables like garlic, onions, and broccoli. However, Brazil nuts stand out as the most abundant natural source. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts can deliver an entire day's supply of selenium. What makes selenium so crucial for kidney health? Selenium plays a crucial role in several of the body's essential antioxidant enzymes. particularly glutathione peroxidase and thioredoxin reductase. These enzymes function as efficient cleanup crews. They effectively eliminate harmful free radicals, preventing potential damage to kidney cells, blood vessels, and DNA. The kidneys, tirelessly filtering vast quantities of blood each day, face a continuous onslaught of oxidative stress. A deficiency in selenium can compromise the strength of this defense system. Research indicates that individuals with chronic kidney disease, particularly those undergoing dialysis, frequently exhibit low levels of selenium. This shortfall indicates that their antioxidant defense is already weakened. Prolonged oxidative stress leads to inflammation and damage in kidney tissue, impairing its ability to heal effectively. Selenium offers a significant advantage by enhancing the activity of glutathione peroxidase. Glutathione peroxidase stands out as a key enzyme, safeguarding kidney cells from the harmful effects of toxins. For individuals facing early-stage kidney disease, selenium supplementation has demonstrated the ability to boost the activity of this enzyme, enhancing the kidney's self-defense mechanisms. In the initial stages of kidney damage, the potential for repair is crucially significant. Selenium has demonstrated its ability to safeguard DNA against oxidative damage. Clinical studies have shown that a few weeks of selenium supplementation can reduce lipid damage markers and contribute to the stabilization of cellular structures. The significance lies in the fact that compromised DNA and cell membranes hinder the functionality and recovery of kidney cells. Another fascinating aspect is the synergy between selenium and other antioxidants. When selenium pairs with vitamin E, the protective benefits are amplified. Vitamin E serves as a guardian for cell membranes, while selenium-dependent enzymes efficiently eliminate the damaging byproducts produced during oxidative stress. For patients undergoing dialysis, the combination of selenium and vitamin E has demonstrated effectiveness in minimizing oxidative damage linked to iron treatments frequently administered during the procedure. What are the best practices for using selenium safely? Selenium is most effective when used in small, controlled doses. Less is more. Selenium is a robust tool, but excessive use can lead to complications. For this reason, food sources frequently emerge as the most reliable choice. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a couple of times each week can suffice for many individuals. When considering supplements, it's essential to opt for low doses and engage in a conversation with a healthcare provider, particularly for individuals with kidney disease. Selenium is best utilized in conjunction with other tools. The true power emerges when it teams up with other antioxidants such as vitamin E, vitamin C, alpha-lipoic acid, and CoQ10. United, they create a powerful network that reduces oxidative stress, enhances detoxification pathways, and safeguards kidney cells from continuous harm. Selenium effectively aids in detoxifying the body by enhancing the function of its natural antioxidant enzymes. It fortifies cellular defenses, safeguards DNA, and diminishes oxidative stress that gradually undermines kidney function. Selenium may not be a cure or intended for high-dose daily use, but it serves a crucial supporting role in safeguarding kidney health, particularly during the initial stages of kidney stress. Selenium secures its position as the 4th antioxidant on this list, rounding out a formidable collection of nutrients that collaborate to safeguard the kidneys, minimize toxin accumulation, and promote lasting repair. Upon taking a step back to examine all 4 of these antioxidants collectively, a singular truth emerges. There isn't a one-size-fits-all solution that resolves kidney issues in an instant. Effective kidney support involves minimizing cellular stress, enhancing the body's ability to eliminate toxins, and equipping kidney tissue with the necessary resources for self-repair. L-Carnitine effectively clears away harmful fats and revitalizes energy within kidney cells. Coenzyme Q10 safeguards mitochondria, ensuring that cells remain vibrant and functional. Alpha-lipoic acid enhances the antioxidant system, reduces inflammation, and promotes healthy blood sugar and metabolism, all of which play a crucial role in kidney health. Selenium fuels the enzymes that serve as the body's natural cleanup team, particularly during the initial phases of kidney stress. When utilized effectively and combined thoughtfully, these antioxidants go beyond mere surface support for the kidneys. They operate at the core of the cells, right where the damage begins. These elements work to diminish oxidative stress, minimize toxin accumulation, safeguard DNA, and decelerate the factors contributing to kidney deterioration. Focusing on antioxidants transcends mere trends or hype. It's all about empowering your kidneys to bounce back, enhance their performance, and maintain their strength in a world that relentlessly challenges them. If this video resonated with you or sparked reflections on your own journey, I would genuinely appreciate hearing your thoughts. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and share it with a friend or loved one who could use a little comfort too. To continue your journey in safeguarding your kidneys and steering clear of common pitfalls, be sure to watch the upcoming video.